Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Aligarh location. It is from Uttar Pradesh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening available for a digital marketing manager in Click and Pay Digital. Coming to the job description, like you are going to work in finance and employment app, and for this job role, females are preferred, and the candidates should have English and Hindi fluency, and this job role is work from home. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for a research associate in Antol International. Coming to the key responsibilities, like industry and company research into a niche market and understanding company structures and dynamics, and updating and maintaining data or information on the internal MIS, and designing such plans, mapping and headhunting, and assisting the reporting manager in the execution of senior level management mandates, and job postings on untold.com, and article or a blog posting over the web, carry out any other duties as assigned by the reporting manager. These are some key responsibilities for this job role. Coming to the qualifications and experience required, like the candidates should be a graduate in any discipline, proactive, confident and outgoing personality, and fluency in English language and MS Office are required. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for assistant manager collections in Bajaj Finserv. Coming to the job qualifications and experience required, like people management skills, demonstrated success and achievement orientation, and excellent communication skills and negotiation skills, strong bias for action and driving results in a high performance environment, and demonstrated ability to lead from the front, and excellent relationship skills and affirmative in nature, strong leadership skills, clarity of thoughts and perseverance, and exceptionally high motivational levels, and the candidates need to be a self-starter, and working knowledge of computers should be there for candidates. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Human Resources Executive in T&N Business Services Private Limited. Coming to the salary, it will be up to 18K. Coming to the key responsibilities, like filling positions within an organization, designing and implementing recruiting systems for the organization, developing own network of suitable candidates, handling of administration and record keeping, working with organizations to develop a recruitment plan and executing recruitment plans efficiently, and drafting and posting job descriptions, like that. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for healthcare recruiter in Soft Nice, and for this job role, freshers are most welcome. And coming to the job description, like job level will be freshers and experienced both. Coming to the education, like any graduates or postgraduate students can apply. Location will be Aligarh, and job type will be full time, and salary is based in the industry, and shift timings will be US shift, and the candidates should have good communication skills. And coming to the perks, like some incentives, bonus, and health insurance up to 3 lakhs, and 5 days working days are there. Interested candidates can share your resume to the given mail ID provided here. Next one, there is a job opening for software programmer in Nuclex Private Limited. Coming to the skills required, the candidates should be a good programmers having good skills in OOPS concepts and solving real-world problems with programming in any high-level language, particularly in C. Coming to the experience required, like freshers and 2 years experienced candidates can apply for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for Salesforce developer in Sophrus Technologies. Coming to the job requirements, like the candidates should have proven experience implementing solution using Apex, Visualforce and Lightning, and strong working knowledge of Salesforce query languages like SQL or SOQL. And the candidates should have solid understanding of web technologies and such as JavaScript, jQuery or AngularJS or Bootstrap and Ajax, HTML, DHTML, CSS like that. And the candidates should be proficient in web service integration and experience with Heroku or Lightning development are preferred, and experience with at least one object oriented programming language such as Java, C or C++. These are some requirements for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for PHP web developer in Let's CMS Private Limited. Coming to the experience required, like freshers and 3 years experienced candidates can apply for this job role, and salary will be 5k to 30k per month. And coming to the skills required for candidates, like a strong knowledge of PHP with Laravel, OpenCart and WordPress, and developing front-end website architecture. And the candidates should have experience in writing and consuming RESTful web services and capability of handling front-end technologies such as HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, XML, JSON and Ajax, etc. And the candidates should have good knowledge in MySQL, and the candidates should be familiarity with cloud message, APIs and push notifications. And the candidates should have experience in designing user interactions on web pages and developing back-end website applications. These are some skills required for this job role. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is provided in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.